Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. Okay, new cup project. This is something I have not tried before, hence the new part. This is based on a picture I saw on Facebook. I'm in many Resin and Tumbler groups. One of the groups I'm in, absolutely, and love, is the Woods Goodies group. And I saw a picture. I will link to the group below, so that if you want to join, you should. I heartily recommend it if you want to know things about, well, the products that Woods sells, Woody's Goodies. Also, if you want to see some amazing work by different Tumbler artists, including Annika Swenson, who does all the layered mica hatching videos. She does lots of lives. She only has one YouTube video, but she does lots of lives in that Facebook group where she shows different kinds of mica hatching that she's done. So if you're interested in that at all, absolutely sign up for the group. Again, link below. One of the pictures I saw recently, before the person who posted it actually answered a question or a comment saying, "How did you do this?" I took a guess, and it turns out when she did post how she did it that I was right. It doesn't mean I'm going to get the same result. But what we're doing today is I have taken a whole bunch of micas, mostly from Woody's Goodies, but any micas will do, and I have mixed them with alcohol. So these are not alcohol inks, which you can make yourself by taking, for example, the core, the tip and the core out of, say, a Sharpie colored marker and soaking it in alcohol. You can basically extract your own alcohol ink that way. Or you can buy alcohol inks from Woody's Goodies and a million other places. I happen to love Marabou. We've also got the Pinata Jacquard brand and the Tim Holtz Ranger brand. Lots of alcohol inks available. Some of them do have sparkles. I use the Rainbow Sparkle from Marabou. And glitter. Marabou has a whole line of glitter alcohol inks. But to the best of my knowledge, it is a little more rare, and I haven't found any place that sells mica powder in alcohol specifically for cup art. Doesn't mean that doesn't exist. Please be kind in the comments. If you know of a place that sells these, go ahead and mention it, but that happens a lot. I don't know lots of things. So today I made what I'm calling Mica-hols, or Mica-hol inks. I have taken a bunch of micas, like I said, mostly Woody's Goodies, but I have some from Crafter's Choice, and that may be the two I used. Yep, Crafter's Choice and Woody's Goodies micas. And I mixed them with 99% alcohol, and of course the mica sinks to the bottom, so I will be doing a lot of bottle shaking as we make this cup. But I have, and I will list the names below. I will list the links to everything below, where I got these bottles, where I got the 99% alcohol, where I got all of the different alcohol, or all of the different micas that I used. Everything's linked below. And if you don't realize that there's a description area below, it's because they usually condense it so they can put a bunch of their own, they being YouTube, put a bunch of their own stuff there. If you click on the title of my video, it should produce an entire description area where all the links to these things are. Or sometimes underneath the title it just says show more. If you click on the show more, then it will show you the description area. So links to everything below. Let's get started. I'm going to mix up some KS liquid stone resin. I have two other cups I'm doing. So I'm going to mix up about 60 to 80 milliliters. I haven't quite decided yet. This is a 30-ounce skinny straight from Makerflow. Into the KS liquid stone resin, I am going to mix some of my favorite rainbow alcohol ink that has a little sparkle to it. That's all I'm going to mix into the resin. So that will be put on as is over a white base, and then we're going to shake up our Mica-hol inks and drop those on and see what we get. Because I really don't know. I've seen one picture. That's it. This is all based on one picture. So I'm going to gear up, open the windows, turn on the ventilation system, all that fun stuff. I will put this in fast mode so you don't have to get too bored. Hopefully you won't be bored at all. So just sit back and enjoy the show. And we're back. Okay, let's take the cover off and see what we got. Talk about spring. That is very spring looking, isn't it? I do want to say, first of all, I have a video clip of me actually concocting or mixing up these Mica-hols. And I will play that at the end of this video. And basically I will show you how I did it. It's in essence 5 scoops of mica and 5 pipettes full of 99% alcohol into these little bottles. But like I say, I'll show you me mixing up a couple so you can see what I did. But let's take a look at our cup. It is gorgeous. Once again, I think I see more detail than you will probably see in the video. This is just absolutely beautiful. I will tell you, here, let me turn it around. I will tell you that once again, as I say almost every time, this is not what I had in my mind's eye when I started the project. The picture I saw was different, but I didn't really have any clue as to how to recreate it other than the actual ingredients. Like I say, I figured out how what she used to make her tumbler, and I can't borrow her picture and put it here because there might be some sort of, I don't know, repercussion of people thinking it's mine, and it's not. I'm not trying to steal anyone's thunder here. Like I say, I will link to the group below, the Woody's Goodies Facebook group, and if you join that group, you will be able to see her picture. I will mention her name below as well, and then you can search for her name and see the picture of what inspired me to do this. But I think this is absolutely stunning. One of the things I read online about mixing micas in alcohol and dropping them on any sort of surface, oh, here's the bottom. That turned out really pretty too. Is that you lose the mica shimmer. So I wasn't expecting to have much shimmer, but honestly, I think you can see it there. You can see I got a good bit of shimmer, the white especially. I used a sparkly white mica, and that kept some of the shimmer. Plus, as I think I mentioned before I started the project, I used my Marabou rainbow alcohol ink, so that provided some shimmer too, but you definitely get mica shimmer in this. This is absolutely gorgeous. Be perfect for Easter, perfect for springtime. Really, really pretty. I will also take this out on the deck and show you how it looks in the sunshine because that's also stunning. But I'm very, very happy with how this turned out. The other thing I would do a little differently next time, you saw me try and lift. I have a, whoops, I made this. I made this cup on my 4 turner because it's a big cup. This is a 30-ounce skinny straight. And if I used my individual turners, I have a little trouble with that much cup. It weighs the arm down and it doesn't stay level. So I used my big cup turner for this. And you saw me struggling to try and, tilt. I could tilt up okay, but I couldn't tilt down. I was going to lose everything if I tried that. So next time I do this particular method, and I will do more, I will use a smaller cup on an individual turner that I can definitely manipulate more to get more movement other than just the horizontal and a little bit of vertical I got on this one. So what do you think, folks? Let's take it out in the sunshine, and then I will show you me mixing up a couple bottles of my Mica-hol ink. Stay safe, everyone. I'll see you in the next video, but don't go away.